about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing that intake that you guys saw a couple of weeks ago on Camachos STi. Along with the intake, another thing Camacho ordered that we did not show you guys was the Cobb Accesport. So we're going to be throwing that in today as well. The last time we installed both these things together was on Wombo's WRX, and that took us like 3 hours about 2 years ago, and obviously we've learned a lot since. So this has only been like 10 minutes and Camacho and Ongo have already removed all the stock stuff.
Right now we've already removed the MAF sensor from the stock intake, and now we just removed it or placed it onto the new one, the Cobb one.
So that's the stock one right there, and that's the new one right there.
Is that far enough?
Yeah, that's good. Right when it hits that tab.
Like, like right
tighten
there?
it down, Camacho. So I guess I lied because Camacho hasn't done this before. So this is Camacho's first time installing an intake.
Do it, Ongo, you motherfucker! Moro! Bitch. Look, just hold it.
Camacho's getting frustrated.
I'm teaching him, he doesn't want me. He doesn't want to learn.
What's up, Camacho? Downpipe install today?
No. No.
Oh, next week, huh?
Next week.
He called it. I'm not sure why, but when I installed my Cobb intake, it did come with like a Y bracket. Hooks down to the chassis of the car, that way it's not all wobbly, but for some reason Camacho said that he didn't get one in his, so
we can make one.
You can make one, or I can just buy a box.
True.
You don't need a box.
I might just end up getting the box.
And that's it.
I'm pretty sure you got one and you lost it or something, because that is not supposed to be like that, and especially when you're driving, all the vibrations is just gonna have it moving back and forth. Yeah, see, we're pretty sure that Camacho got a box or a bracket and he lost it because all the hardware is right there for it.
Oh, I found it.
Ah, look, I told you.
I found it.
That's good. Ooh, look how much stiffer that is. Feel it?
It's almost as stiff as my suspension.
No mames.
Suspension! It's my bag of random stuff that came out of my car but never went back in.
So one more thing that we forgot to mention, make sure you put this plastic cover back on, because this is what directs the airflow going through the grill over to the intake, so you don't want to lose that. I don't have an access port, neither does Camacho up until this point, so Ongo is going to be the one that's going to be throwing this on and showing us how to do it.
What the? You actually got a red case?
Yeah, what the fuck?
For like 30 bucks?
No,
This computer.
Oh, the mount?
What's this? USB. I'm looking for the OBD thing. The OBD port? Is it down there?
Alright, so apparently on these newer STIs, they actually got rid of the OBD port where it used to be. So it used to be under here. Now it's in here, so in the corner right there.
without pressing. That turns it on.
Please confirm this is a 18 STi.
I think so.
Negative.
Negative.
This is a Toyota Prius. Oh, fuck you, Uncle. Anti-theft map? You have one of those?
It's right here.
Oh.
Okay, go. Quick. You can go one more. There. Oh. How do you
Now
go,
what?
Camacho?
Well,
That's it, you're done.
That's it.
You're
A ver,
tuned.
A ver.
Stage 1.
A ver.
Faster than Chino.
Yes. Wanna watch?
Oh.
Oh, snap.
Right there, you passed it. Accesport is installed. As Camacho said, next week will be the downpipe install and the real tune.
Yep. Finally.
Holy fuck!
Dude.
Dude, that sounds aggressive.
Dude, go to the intake. I like hear the intake.
Oh yeah, dude, that sounds
Hello.
sick.
That's hella loud. What the?
Guys, listen super close. You can actually hear his intake when he lets off the throttle. It sounds good, dude. I think Camacho with a catback only sounds like just the same as ours.
Uh-huh.
So imagine with a downpipe, dude. Wow, dude. What's up, Diego?
Where's Chino at?
Never showed, buddy.
Really?
Flaked on us.
No fucking.
Spot where Camacho decided to mount it. So just on top of there. It looks really good. What we did was we fed the wire behind the steering wheel back under this cover, and then right here we just tied it up, and then we'll tie this one to another wire up there so that it's not hanging like this. But it looks super clean, dude. So this is Camacho's point of view of the car, and it looks so good, guys. Check it out. I really like the red because it matches this car, and then just everything ended up being really nice. Just that cable right here that goes down, but everything is pretty much cleaned up. Oh, it looks so good. You happy, Camacho?
Dude, I'm hella happy.
I can't wait for next week, dude. Next week is gonna be sick. So here we go. Let's start it up. Got all the gauges on. Everything is working. You know, Camacho's numbers are just a little bit off on his gauges. Everything will get fixed once we get the tune next week. So that should be pretty exciting, guys. So we'll be throwing on the downpipe and then heading down to get it tuned.
Downpipe? Dude, what the
So we're gonna go for a drive in Camachos STi and see what kind of different sounds it makes now that the intake is in.
But it just feels weird, I don't know.
See, like that, so you can get the... So yeah, it's not like crazy loud, but it's definitely a big difference from stock. You can actually hear the intake rather than when it's stock, you can't hear it at all. So there it is, guys. That was today's install. Hopefully you guys are excited for the downpipe next week and the tune. If you are, give this video a huge thumbs up.
I'm just saying, I spit flames, bro.
Yes, sir. Oh, and by the way, guys, 10 likes and Ongo will jump in that patch of snow.
That's ice. That's not even snow anymore. That's
Behind
ice.
the ice.
No, that's just hard snow.
But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for today's video. Stay tuned for the tune next week, and then of course I still got to show you guys my headlights when they get here, but that'll be a different story. We will see you guys next time. Peace out.
That's it, Brian?